Hello guys, welcome back to the Battle Lounge. In this video, I just want to talk a little bit about the freebies. Freebies that we've got, that we're giving away. We've got 2 already. You will get, if you sign up to the newsletter. Now I haven't set the workflow up with this at the moment, so I want it automated so that anybody that gets our newsletter email every month, it's just an update. It's called Dev Diary. It's me just explaining what's new, what's coming out, timelines, all that sort of stuff, all the exciting things that are going on with ClickyWalls, what I'm doing behind the scenes. And so if you're subscribed to that every month, you'll be getting a free STL. I'm not sure what it will be yet. At the moment, I'm just looking at walls. So this is the first one that you'll get, which is essentially just like a Gothic arch style, which works really well in a open sort of environment. So you could use this for, you know, like an alleyway or something like that, or an archway leading to all the little back alleys and streets and things like that. So that's quite a nice addition, and it's a brick wall one. And then we've got this, which is the double large support, essentially joined together. So it's a really cool bit, works in very similar sort of fashion to this, but rather than it being a brick wall archway, which would probably support a wall above it, this could just be used standalone as it is. You could still put some walls across. It could be a full wall, or it could be some of the little half walls that we got coming out. I think the half walls are coming out in the next update, which will be the town centre, which focusing a lot on the marketplaces and smaller like individual buildings where you'd build a large town, and lots of little like single story buildings. So flat roofs, external staircases, market stalls, shop fronts, things like that. Again, it's another really good addition to the first bundle that you can get, which is the tavern, which is a great bundle just on its own, all the bits and pieces that you get for that. But this is again, it's going to be another one of those really good ones that just slots in nicely, plays on all the parts that you've already got with the tavern. So instead of building a tavern, you could then use all the walls and everything that you've already printed out for that, and then build yourself a little market town, sort of city centre, village centre type thing. That's it for this video, guys. Nice quick one. So if you subscribe to the newsletter, which is the Dev Diaries, then you'll every month, probably every month, it depends on how busy I am. It could be walls, or it might be more on the object side of things. Go onto the website, clickywalls.com. Just subscribe to the newsletter. We'll see you there. Cheers. Speak to you in the next one. Bye bye, guys.